I'm Tony. Welcome back to the British English Coach. Today's topic is something really useful. We're going to talk about introductions. Now we're going to show you how to say the phrases in natural British English with rhythm and tone. Okay? So, the first time you meet somebody, you usually give a greeting and say your name, like, hello, I'm Sarah, or hi, I'm James. One is more formal. See, hello is better for older people or more important people. For example, in a job interview. See, hi is better for people your own age or people less formal. See, a more friendly situation. But the important thing is to keep it in a British tone, which is light and clear and friendly. See, you can make the tone rise at the end. See, like this. Hello, I'm Tony. See, it goes up at the end. It's more friendly rather than hello, I'm Tony. See, it's more flatter and not friendly. See, so you can practice. Hi, I'm Tony. Hello, I'm Tony. Now, after your name, you can add more information, some short details. See, I'm from London. I'm a teacher. I live in Vietnam. See, you keep it nice and short, nice and clear. So, as a little sort of mini introduction, you could say, hello, I'm Emma. I'm from Manchester. I'm a nurse. See, polite, confident, and simple. Then you can add some friendly personal details, something about your hobbies or interests, maybe. I enjoy cooking. I love traveling. In my free time, I play football. It helps to start a conversation, see? For example, the full option now you could say, hello, I'm Adam. I'm from Bristol. I'm a designer and I love photography. Now, in a more formal situation, like a meeting or a job interview, you want more polite language, a calm tone, like mine now. For example, good morning. My name's Laura. I'm from Leeds and I work in finance. Excuse me. You want to avoid slang, like. Stay clear, confident. Now, when you want to reply, you can say nice to meet you or pleased to meet you. And the very best British English would be lovely to meet you. And they'll answer back, lovely to meet you too. See, you've got to smile. Body language matters, you see. So keep it short and confident and clear. Don't forget the rising, happy tone. So you want to write out your introduction, see, with sort of the 3 or 4 parts. Keep it clear with the rhythm and precision. British accent style. Okay? So, thanks for watching my first proper long video, I suppose. Leave your comments and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.